In this video, I want to talk to you about the future of this channel, do a recap of my goals for 2024, and then also share with you my goals for 2025. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you the big announcement about the channel moving forward, just want to do a quick sales update like I always do for merch by Amazon. So today it is Tuesday, December 31st, 6 a.m. So no sales as of yet. But yesterday we could see that I did right here 44 sales and $48 in royalties. Also had some returns as well, 2 returns. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro and my sales out the way, I want to talk to you about the future of this channel. So if you guys have been subscribed for a while for me, you guys will remember that when I first started this channel, it was basically a channel about niches. I was basically just sharing with you niches that I thought had potential and that could help you get more sales on Merch by Amazon. And, I was basically trying to just make money from ad revenue. I did start this YouTube channel mainly to make money. I was basically looking for another side income. But the only problem with that is that, I was only really making like a couple $100s a month. And so from ad revenue. And so what I decided to do was to basically offer memberships. And, it was like $10 a month, and I give you like special content. And I basically stopped making content for the regular public, and I was just making content for my members. And I was able to make like $500 a month, which was better. But what ended up happening is I just kind of got burnt out of making that content, especially those evergreen videos that I was making, once a week. It just started to become like a pain in the butt. I did enjoy sharing or making the posts about the trending niches. But like I said, I just kind of got burnt out. So what I decided to do is actually to get rid of the members and go back to making the content that I used to make, where I just make videos about niches for basically the general public. So the way that I have it planned out, or what I plan on doing, is basically making 3 videos a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, sharing with you trending niches, like going over flying research, merch dominator, and then also sharing with you like an evergreen niche or 2 to basically help you guys. That's the kind of content that I like to make. It's I just love doing research for niches. I think I'm pretty good at it. I think I can share with you guys some good niches, trending niches, and help you guys get more sales. So I'm really motivated to do that, and I've committed to doing this for a whole year. I made a commitment to myself last year to wake up every day at 5 a.m. in the morning, every day for a whole year. And actually today was the last day, December 31st. I actually did it. It was actually 366 days because there was a leap year, I think, in February 29th. So I'm committed to making 3 videos a week for you guys, sharing with you trending niches. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss out on those niches. And I'm also going to be sharing with you like my creative fabrica shop, where I will actually be making designs for those niches. So if you're interested, you can get those as well. And the way that I plan on monetizing the channel is, with ad revenue, even though that really won't make too much, but I'm going to be sharing with you like my prompts. So I have that shop on PayHip, where you can purchase the prompts. I'm also be promoting my Merch by Amazon beginners course, and then I will also be doing like affiliate marketing for Ideogram, which is by far, in my opinion, the best way to do designs. It's the future. And then also affiliate marketing with Flying Research and Merch Dominator. All right, so that is basically the announcement that I've been talking about that I want to make for the channel. I'm going back to making my old type of content, 3 videos a week. Trending niches and evergreen niches. All right, so now let's go ahead and let me go ahead and show you or do a recap of my goals for 2024. So if you guys remember, I basically had 3 goals for 2024. There were goals for merch, Etsy, and YouTube. Now the goal for merch was to do $3,000 a month or $100 a day. The goal for Etsy was to do, I got it up on here on my wall, $200 a day or in profit, or $6,000 a month in profit. And then the goal for YouTube was to make $1,000 a month. So let's go ahead and see how I did for merch. So here we are on my Merch by Amazon dashboard. It's January 1st to December 31st, 2024. And we're going to see that, for the year, I did $27,301. And I checked my stats for 2023, and I did $10,000. So I almost tripled my sales this year. So, I'm really happy about that. Like I mentioned, I woke up every day at 5 a.m. this morning and just worked my butt off on Merch by Amazon. Sometimes I'd work on Etsy and making prompts, but for the most part, I was just always doing Merch by Amazon, and that hard work really paid off. You can see here, I was able to hit my goal this month right here in August, where I finally did $3,000 for the month. I wasn't able to average $100 a day, 74, but I'm still just very happy with this year, and I think next year, 2025, is going to be even better, but I'll talk about that in a second here. But for the most part, I was doing, what was my average? 22, but I had some good months, like right here, 28, 21, 26. This was the big month, 3,000, 27, 29, almost hit it again. And then for some reason in Q4, my sales kind of dropped off, probably because of the types of niches I'm in. But you can see here, December wasn't even really that good. Neither November. Actually did better last year in December. But like I said, overall, really happy. This is the most money I've ever made on Merch by Amazon, and I've been doing Merch by Amazon for a long time. If we go to my all-time, I actually got a pretty cool graph here that I'll show you, because I was always a Merch by Amazon. I was always a $500 seller on Merch by Amazon. You can see here, like all these numbers right here, the red. Let me get rid of the sales. You can see like these are always right around 500. So right here, 500, 300, 400. You can see just right around 500, and then all of a sudden, boom, it just took off for me, right around the end of 2023, 2024. This is actually the cool graph right here. So look at that. Boom, it just exploded. So this is how I kind of figured merch out. So those are my all-time sales. Let's see, all-time 74,000. You can see I've been doing Merch by Amazon for a long time, all the way since, it doesn't say the year. I thought it said the year. If I go monthly, well, I don't know, but I think it's, yeah, so right here, I think I started in 2017. Anyways, so yeah, so goal for Merch by Amazon was to do $3,000 a month, and I was able to hit it in August, so that was cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy. Okay, so here we are on my Etsy dashboard, and like I said, my goal for Etsy was to do $6,000 in profit for the month, and I actually failed big time on this one. I only got the $6,000 in revenue once, which was actually, let me turn the brightness up, which was actually this month right here in December, so $6,230. I make around, I would probably say like 35, maybe like 40%, because I also do digital downloads as well, so that kind of increases my profit. But I didn't even get any close. I didn't even get close. I thought, I made some SVG files at the beginning of the year that I thought were really going to take off, but they just did kind of well, so that's why I didn't really hit my goal, but no big deal. But you can see here, 41,000 in revenue, 23 orders, and I actually did better in 2023. I think I did right around like 43,000, so a little bit down in revenue for this year, but no big deal, because Merch by Amazon, I was so happy with that. So these are my stats for Etsy. Now let's go ahead and take a look at YouTube. Alright, so here we are on my YouTube analytics, and the goal for YouTube for 2024 was to do $1,000 a month with ad revenue. And you can see here I was basically doing like $500 a month. If we click on this see more right here, we'll be able to see, scroll down. So like May was 500, June was 500, August was 500. But I started selling prompts from my YouTube channel, and if we go to my Gumroad shop right here, we're going to see, in June I did 600, 500, almost 500 right there. So if I add those two up, that gets me to 1,000. So I'm counting that as a win, because I wouldn't have been able to sell my Gumroad prompts if it wasn't for YouTube. So out of the 3 goals that I hit, Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and YouTube, I was able to hit two of them. So 2 out of 3 I think is actually pretty good. So comment below and let me know what you guys think of my goals and my achievements. And then one last thing that I want to share with you before I share with you my goals for 2025 are my habit trackers. So if you've been following me, you guys know that I'm really into tracking my habits. And so I was doing this every month for all of 2024, waking up at 5 a.m. You see I did that, every day. I was hitting the gym like 5-6 days a week. I was doing intermittent fasting, also about the same, 5 days a week, cutting out sugar, no processed foods, staying sober. I didn't have one drink or any drugs this whole year. I've actually been clean and sober for 9 years, almost 10 now. I prayed every day. I got into meditation, started making my bed and drinking lime water in the morning. And the 3 things that I was able to do every day for the whole year was wake up at 5 a.m., stay sober, and pray. So those were the 3 things I did every day. And since I was hitting the gym so much and fasting and really just locked in on my diet and my training, I was able to get this physique right here. So this is my physique right here. This is how I was looking. I think this was taken in April. So, for a 43-year-old family man, dad, husband, I think that's pretty good. I was able to get my 6-pack back and a little bit of muscle. So that is what, consistency and, discipline, dedication can get you. Really, my secret was the intermittent fasting. That's how I got the 6-pack. And then just basically cutting out sugar, processed foods, and alcohol, and basically just focusing on single ingredient foods. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about my goals for 2025. So for 2025, I have 3 goals. I'm keeping it pretty simple, just kind of like last year. And the 3 goals is going to be for Merch by Amazon, YouTube, and just in general for all my income streams. And I got this template right here on Canva. So if you just type in goals, you can probably find it if you want to do something similar. I like it because you can type in the goal and then you have an action plan. Every time you have a goal, I'd recommend that you have some type of action plan on how you actually, want to achieve that goal. So the first goal for Merch by Amazon is to do $5,000 a month. Remember last year it was $3,000, so I'm trying to pump that up. And I honestly think I'm going to be able to do this just because of all the work that I put in this year. I might even be able to more. I would be surprised if I did 6,000, but we're going to have to wait and see. You never know. So that is the goal. I might not get it in January, February. Last year, as you saw, it took me 8 months to get the 3,000. So it can take time. We're just gonna have to wait and see. And then my goal, or my action plan to achieve this goal, is to upload 300 unique designs a month to Merch by Amazon. I'm actually waiting on a tier up. I don't know if anybody else is waiting up on a tier. I'm a tier 10,000 seller, but I have like 9,100 designs. So I only have like 900 slots. So I need to get tiered up. Now the goal for YouTube is to do 100,000 subscribers. Now this kind of reminds me of my Etsy goal that I made for 2024. It's kind of a big reach, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this one because I'm only at like 7,000 or 8,000 subscribers. But the reason why I chose this goal is because I really want to get that silver plaque. It's kind of like the trophy for YouTube sellers. So if you want to support me on reaching my goals, make sure you subscribe. And then my plan on achieving this goal is to upload 3 videos a week for a whole year, like I mentioned. And then the third goal is going to be make $10,000 US a month from all my income streams. So I'm a full-time internet marketer, I guess, however you say it. I just work online, and the ways that I make money is by Merch by Amazon, Etsy, YouTube, selling prompts, audiobooks. So I do a lot of authors. I do Authors Republic. And then I'm also getting back into self-publishing ebooks, mainly like romance books on KDP. So if we add all those up, I want to make $10,000 US a month. I live in Mexico. It's not the most expensive place to live. This year, 2024, I think the most I made in a month was $5,000. So, you can live pretty damn good down here with that kind of money. But that is a goal. And the way that I plan on achieving this goal is by uploading onto all the platforms. Like I said, KDP, Authors Republic, Etsy merch, YouTube, selling my prompts, things like that. All right. So these are my 3 goals for 2025. Comment below your goals. Let's do it together. But that is going to be the video for today. The big announcement is that I'm back making my niche videos again, 3 videos a week. I'm gonna do it for a whole year, and I'll be making them in the morning. So you will be getting the videos basically, at the same time every day, depending where you live at in the world. But thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. Adios.